2023 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's equipped with many extra conveniences right at your fingertips, including side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, power outlet, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, auxiliary input, aluminum wheels. Experience the difference. Test drive your dream car today.